Hey guys, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch. You've probably been wondering what's been going on, and a lot of changes have just been happening in my life, which is what has kind of thrown off the channel lately. So if you've noticed, I haven't been posting content as regularly as usual, and that's going to be that way for a little while. So we are planning a move, but it's not going to be for at least a couple months yet. But there's so much to prepare for, and I'm going to lose my craft room, at least for a period of time. And this whole thing is going to be a process over time, but I am going to lose the craft room, so that is going to be a problem. So I'm going to have to kind of just see how things work out in a different way, but again, that is just going to take time. So I've accumulated a lot of stuff in my craft room, including projects that I've done, you know, things like stickers or like wood pieces and stuff that aren't necessarily going to move with me. And I know I probably won't use again. I'm actually going to start an eBay account for Craft Klatch, and that stuff is going to go on there. I don't know what to price it at, so whatever you all think it's worth is what I will sell it for. And that's what's happening. So when exactly I'm going to get on a regular schedule, I don't know. But don't lose faith. I will be back, and I will post you and let you know when I do get some of the items posted. So in case you are interested in purchasing any of that stuff. And in the meantime, I want to show you about two products that I have that you might see in future videos, and you're going to have questions about them. And the first one is this lighter, and it is a torch lighter. If you can hear it, I don't know if you can hear it. My microphone died on me, so if things aren't great, that's why. But it's a torch lighter, and you can lock the torch on. You can't really see it, but it is on. And the nice thing is you can refill it. So instead of the ones that I've been using that I do love, you know, I hate throwing them away. And I do believe over time this is going to create a much larger savings, because the price of it, I'm going to guess, was about twice the price of one of these. And all you have to do is get some butane, which you can order off of Amazon as well, and use that just to fill it. On the bottom there's a hole, and all you gotta do is fill it. You just push it in right like that, and it'll fill it up, and then you can just keep using it instead of continually filling the landfills with these things. And the second item, I ordered these a couple years ago, and they're silicone, I think they're like cake forms is what the idea behind it was. And I believe the idea was that you can put these together to create different shapes. And I was interested in it because, well, it's silicone, and I was going to do, and may one day still do, something where this was going to be the basis of the project. And I have 4 of them, and I cannot remember if they all came in one package or not, but like you could do like a heart or something and, you know, create a shape and then put like your dough in there if you put this on a pan and then bake it. So that is the idea behind it. Now, I never thought to do this, and somebody else did. They use them as little stands to put underneath like artwork, like their acrylic pours and stuff, and they could easily be used also for the resin pours because nothing is going to stick to this because they're silicone. I will have them linked down in the description below along with the lighter. And just so you know, they are Amazon affiliate links. And Amazon is where I bought both of these. So you can check them out if you're interested. You can find out a little bit more information there. So hopefully you can bear with me for the next 6 months to a year. It's going to be a tough transition. I have to get Puffy and Grayson down there, the kitty cats. And if some of you did not realize, we lost Spooky back in December. And I didn't want to make a big thing about it because it was very difficult for me. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know what's going on. I will try to stay on schedule as best I can. I just don't know what it's going to look like. And also, like I said, I've got to start getting rid of stuff. So stay tuned, and I will kind of let you know the progress of getting an eBay shop set up. So I hope you guys are all doing well. And don't forget about me. Remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.